What's up, everybody? This is your boy Not Guilty coming at you live with another one. About to do a how-to video on how to make Seamoss into a gel. Y'all ready? Let's go. First off, you want to take your Seamoss out the bag. Put it in the bowl. See how that Seamoss look? That's wild crafted Seamoss. Irish moss. Put it in the bowl. And you will want to put some water in it to get all of the salt, the sea salt that's on it. You want to rinse it off. See how that look? You see how that salt in the water? You want to rinse it and let it sit for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Let it sit. Rub your fingers through it. Loosen it up. And let it sit for 20 minutes and come back to it. Now that it's set for 20 minutes, you will want to drain all that dirty water from off of it. Just drain it off. And then you will want to rinse it some more. It's like noodles. It's like making noodles, basically. Put your water in it, let it sit for 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Now, we have our Seamoss right here. And with the water that you put in there to basically, make sure it's clean, you're gonna pour the water. This is how I do my Seamoss. Pour the water and the Seamoss inside of a pot until it boils like noodles, basically like noodles, till it has a soft texture. And you're gonna do that for at least 15 minutes until it gets to a good boil. This is beautiful because it has 92 out of 102 vitamins and minerals that our body needs, a superfood. So y'all need to get up on this. Now, after that 10 minutes of it heating up and boiling, we have it at the texture we wanted. You see? It look like soft noodles. We're going to move over to the blender. Walk with me. After you get finished blending, you will want to have a mason jar handy so you can pour the Seamoss in it and put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour or more, and you'll see the finishing product, Seamoss gel. If my video was helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe and comment. Let me know how you feel about my tutorials.